Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm going to do an unpackaging, just one today. This is from eBay. So this is super duper cute. It's my vest. It's a Harley Davidson white vest. And it says Jesus Forever on the back. So let's try it on together. The sides are adjustable. Ew. They were like yellow stuff come out of that bag. Like chalky looking. Here it is. And it's all over me. I wonder if it's on this jacket. Let me take it off. Okay, I don't see it on the jacket. I don't see it. But I know it was in the bag because I didn't have all this yellowy stuff on me 2 seconds ago. Like, it's... See that yellow stuff? Yeah. And then there's like a chunk in there. I don't know what that is, but I'll try not to move too much. Just don't make it all a mess all over my bed. So... I may just put it in my floor and clean it up off my floor. So you're gonna witness me in a minute. Get up very slowly. Alright. So here's the vest. I think it does need to be taken in a little bit for me. But it does have really nice pockets, and they're big enough where I can, if I need to, I can put one of my heated hand grips in there. Yep, perfect, fits in there. And if I'm not using the heated hand grip and I want to keep it in there, it zips back up. So that works out perfectly. Just need to get it in because it's like that big, so I think it's supposed to be able to come back in. Yes, I keep hitting that. So let's see. So I can bring it back in. So let's bring it in. Trying to figure out how to get it up in there. Alright. That's just one side. I did the other, sorry. Alright, so let's try it on again. Yeah, that's so much better. Zip. Zip. Fasten. Yeah, that's so much better. I have pockets. Yep. Fits me good. No. Anyway, this is my vest that I purchased off of eBay. So thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.